Hello crochet friends, and welcome to Crochet with Shelby. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to create the half double crochet stitch. I've already created a couple of rows of my half double crochet stitch, and I'm going to demonstrate how to create this beautiful stitch. So I am using worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. So to create the half double crochet, what you do is you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now you're going to have 3 loops on your hook, and you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And you've just made your first half double crochet. Again, let's try that one more time. Yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over and pull back through the stitch. You're going to have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, go in through the stitch, yarn over and pull through the stitch, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. And that is how you create the half double crochet stitch. If you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video if you know anyone who would like to learn this beautiful stitch. Happy crocheting!